Hey YouTube, so happy St. Patrick's Day. So today it's a new video. Today this is how I would build a brand new BMW M2 Coupe. So let's get into it. So over the past few days I've been designing this BMW M2. The idea for this is I was at Essen Motor Show in Germany and there was an M2 on display, a gorgeous brand new one. It was dropped with an air suspension. So that gave me the idea to design like my own BMW M2 and see how it ended up, and this is the result. So we're going to take a look at it and see how it is. So first thing you see on my design is quad exhaust carbon fiber. It has an aggressive looking carbon fiber diffuser. It has room for a towing hook. It has pretty much like endless potential. So there is an F1 brake light. The back quarter panel section here I have taken off and replaced with an active vent. I did my own wide body kit, so this isn't Rocket Bunny or anything. This kit is one I would 3D print and build myself. So also I did the white chrome lights, the German plate, and the wheels, 3-piece forged wheels. Didn't pick a brand, just kind of went generic here. Cross-drilled rotors, racing tires, but the wide body kit is really cool because I made this one with active vents. There is a lot going on with it. It's in real life this one would be very wide, a lot much more than the M2 is. Also the lighting on the drawing things is not the best, but this is a carbon fiber wing with a wing extender. So right where the brake light is, there is an extender on the wing. I like the modern look of the wing extenders on sports cars, so when we get to the side of the car, there is side skirts on it. Carbon fiber ones, matte black. I was going to do matte black or carbon fiber. I kind of tried to draw them as both because I haven't decided how I would do them. As we back out, you see the cross-drilled rotors. You see the brakes are painted a lighter shade of blue, almost like a Miami blue. Of course, tinted blacked out windows. For the interior, I would do like Recaro seats, like Galaxy Recaro seats like my Tiburon had. When we get over to the front of this car, so obviously I planned this car with an air suspension. The front of the wide body kit is on the front. I would line it up with a door. So obviously the door is still open because a lot of cars, some of the doors have issues open. Especially the 4-door cars that have a wide body kit, you can't always open all the doors. So this one also has the 3-piece wheels on the front, matching it, which I think are pretty cool. So this wide body kit is also bolted on. It has venting, it has active aero. It's a pretty aggressive car build. So I made this BMW like a darker shade than Yas Marina Blue and darker than BMW M2's Long Beach Blue. I tried to go something more creative here. It's darker than both of those. And then almost like from Warhammer 40k, the Space Marines blue on the wheels, which is pretty cool. But this is also two-tone wheels and then a third shade there. So a lot of different blue going on this car. So this is the finished product, how I would build the BMW M2. Maybe one day when this channel grows I can build one. So check out my other videos and thanks for watching it.